The International Monetary Fund has downgraded Korea's 2025 growth outlook to 0.8% just 3 months after its last revision, while raising the 2026 forecast to 1.8%.
국제통화기금 IMF가 올해 한국 경제 성장률 전망치를 불과 석 달 전에 수정했던 1.0%에서 0.8%로 다시 하향 조정하는 한편 내년 성장률은 직전 전망값보다 0.4%포인트 오른 1.8%로 관측했습니다. So, a rosier forecast for next year, but not so much for this year.
That is correct. So the IMF projected that South Korea's real gross domestic product will expand 0.8% in 2025. That is down from their April forecast, which was 1%. So down, what's that, 0.2%.
그래요. 사실 영어에서는 이렇게 그냥 퍼센트 포인트 대신에 퍼센트라고만 생략해서 얘기하는 경우가 많이 있긴 있는데 지금 같은 경우 기존 전망치였던 1.0%에서 0.2%포인트 떨어진 0.8%로 이제 하향 조정한 거죠. 그래서 엄밀히 따지면은 퍼센트와 퍼센트 포인트가 좀 차이가 있기는 한데 영어에서는 그냥 뭐 번갈아 가면서 쓰더라고요.
Yeah.
네. 그래서 그냥 알아서 이해를 뭐 해야 되는 상황인 것 같습니다. 여기서 이제 0.8% 미국과 캐나다에서는 0.8%. 이렇게 하는데 영국에서는요, 0.8%라고 해서
What?
not.
Not?
Have
Really?
you heard of not?
No, I've never heard that before.
Oh, well, that's why, you know, the 2000s,
Yeah.
the nickname for the 2000s was the noughties.
Oh, really?
Because it was like 00, right? Yeah. I don't know how you spell that. Maybe N-A-U-G-H-T, because you never really spell it. You say
Yeah.
it. It might be N-O-U-G-H-T. I'm not entirely sure because once again I've never really had to write it down because when you write it down it's a number, right?
So anytime you have like a zero or
point
or,
something.
Okay,
Yeah,
it can
you
be
know,
it can be a not.
Yeah, 0. something. 그래요. 그래서 영국에서는 이렇게 표현을 합니다. 그래서 2000년대를 그 naught, 그 zero가 들어간 그 10년이라고 해가지고 naughties. And naughty also sounds like you're naughty, you know.
Yeah.
약간 뭐라 그럴까요? 개구진다는
You're bad.
그런 느낌이 있죠. 발음만 들었을 때는. All right. That was a little tidbit there. And what's downgrading something?
If you are downgrading something, you are lowering something, making something worse, perhaps, as well, or lessening. So the opposite we hear quite often as well, upgrading, right? If you buy an airplane ticket and maybe they're full in economy class, that you might get upgraded to first class, you'll hear quite often. But if you get downgraded, then you are in a better situation, but now you're in a worse situation.
우리도 외래어로 많이 쓰죠. downgrade, upgrade. 그래가지고 downgrading means you going down a level or a grade or a class, and the opposite would be to upgrade something. You upgrade your phones as well, right, as you
Yes.
go. What about revision?
A revision is a change if you're changing something.
Yeah.
The biggest difference, I think I don't think I would use the word revision when I'm talking with my close friends about things. Like, we'll just say, oh, I'm going to change this, okay?
Yeah, I'm going to revise this. It's very formal.
Yeah, exactly. So usually it's used more in a business setting. It is a little bit more formal. If you're writing an essay, then you'll want to use words like revision compared to change. But ideally, it's the same sort of thing.
revise가 수정한다라는 굉장히 formal한 용어입니다. 그래서 revision도 마찬가지 수정이라는 뜻인데 일상 대화에서보다는 이런 격식 있는 뉴스라든지 아니면 비즈니스 이메일 내지는 좀 formal한 대화를 할 때 revision 쓰면 되겠죠. 수정, 변경이라는 뜻입니다. All right, let me read it one more time. The International Monetary Fund, the IMF, has downgraded Korea's 2025 growth outlook to 0.8% just 3 months after its last revision, while raising the 2026 forecast to 1.8%. Now let's move on to the second headline.